Snorkel lang dito.
Balance koszulę.
Mukhang malalim ah.
Ja też. Ale on mówi super, spoko, nie? No ale teraz...
Dito yung tayo ng bangka. Doon tayo magano.
Ale on teraz, ale to on na chwilę nasz specjał. Bo on oderwał wędkę.
Ang dami ng isda, oh. Ayan, ang dami isda, no?
Alright, so now swimming time. Snorkeling. This is Kadlaw Island. Kadlaw Island.
Kadlaw.
On the it's not allowed to go far away. Only strong the current. Only here.
Walang
Beside the rocks and near the tank. Alright. So there's also allowed to corals. Still allowed corals there. So also a piece. Alright, so if you're lucky, you can see turtle. If you're unlucky,
But there is no sharks. No shark.
if you're not lucky,
I will catch a shark.
can you see there? If you're lucky, can you see there? See turtle. If you're not lucky, shark. But if you're already taking lunch, you need lunch, shark. Don't worry, don't worry. But the shark here is vegetarian. Ayaw nga. Alright? Take your time. So remember,
Dito lang ako sa tabi ng ano.
So like me, I don't know how to swim. So I need life jacket.
Only life jacket.
Yeah.
No, if you know.
If you don't swim, like me, I don't know how swimming. So I need life jacket.
Yes.
Alam mo, miss. Galing na.
Ayun na, dami na.
See there.
Pinapakain na si Kuya dito. Pwede na kayong lumangoy. Ayun. Nasaan si Fish Girl? Si Kuya tawag si Fish Girl. Si Fish Girl. Madami ng fish. Ay, lumangoy na. Oh, ayan, ang hinahanap mong isda. Makukulay pala dito. Dapat pala dito ako nag-video. Oh.
Ano?
Bakit wala kang ano? Yan na.
Alright guys, let's go!
Magaling lumangoy yan eh.
Hey ma'am.
Nasa ilalim na ang ano, ang isda.
What's the name of the beach? Next. What's the name? Serenity.
Serenity. Oh. Serenity.
Daanan lang natin. Malapit na to eh. Doon eh. South Korea. Buko lang, ano, walang yung buko kasi natin yun, may initan eh, kaya medyo maasim. Alak na. Alright, so guys, we're here now. This is our third stop, Serenity Beach. Alright. How's everybody? So having lunch here. So on the beach, so I'm gonna give 10 minutes preparing food. So please can you proceed there for waiting your lunch. Alright?
Dadali ko rin. Mamaya
Waiting
tayo.
for my McDonald's delivery. Grab.
Aba na. Adobo, fried chicken, pansit. Pagkareta yata isa yun.
Ay, na para, tara.
Yun o, makijoin ka dun o sa mga beauties.
Higa nga din ako doon sa picture ako. Kumari kapatid ko.